This is the only pack series that I've opened before these, so I'm not sure what the card trick is for all these, but we're gonna wing it. I kind of feel like I should look it up, but yeah, well. Okay, I'm guessing it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm actually gonna check to see if I did that right before. Is it 5? No, it's not 5. Is it 3? Okay, I think it's 3. I think. Okay, no, it's definitely not 3. What the heck is the card trick? Definitely messed that up. That's okay though, guys. That's okay.